It's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just posted on Facebook trying to draw some flames. And if you go to DA Fonts or dafont.com and just type in here, right here, flame or flames, and there's a couple of flames right there. I like this one because it's got square edges. I'm going to download it. It's free. You can use it. And I'm going to open it. And I'm going to go right here at the True Type font. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to install it and look at the name. It's J Flames. I've already got it. I don't really care about replacing it, but and then open up Corel. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Get your text tool, and before you start typing, type in J Flames. And I don't want it to be my normal one, so I'm just going to type A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's make them a little bigger. Sometimes it'll be capital, sometimes it won't be. Then go up here and just type in J Flames. There's your flames. And there's probably a lot other ones. Let's try capital A, B, C, D, and just keep going. Then you just get the one you like, and let's say we like this one right here. Go Control K, break it apart. I would go to your text editor. Well, I was trying to figure out what letter that actually was. Let's go back to the capitals and go, whoop. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Well, let's change it right now to J Flames. Sometimes Corel won't do it the first time. There's that flame, it's A. And then you can do anything with you. It's a vector file. It's good, clean, sharp. You can do anything you want to with it. You could change it. You could make it wider, make it narrower. You could Control D and make a duplicate of it. You could even mirror it the other way. Let's get rid of that one. Grab that guy, holding down the control button after you start moving. Go right there. Combine it. Whoop, I had my offset. Let's go and convert it to a curve, and then you could weld it. And then you have a double flame that you could still do anything with, and then you could smart fill it back with any color you like. So DA Font, it's a pretty cool site. I've actually donated to some authors that really have helped me out, but there's other kinds of flames and flame type text, and there's one with already on top of text. I've made a couple of videos with flames inside of text, and there's some other ones. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.